Hello everyone, this is Naitik Jain and today I am in IIM Indore and I am attending a 14 days program which is a management development program for chartered accountants. And you know what I have decided to do is to interview all the MBA students here. Some of these students are pursuing PGP program, which is a 2-year program, a postgraduate qualification program. Second is an IPM program, which is a 5 years integrated course which students pursue after their 12th. So I've decided to interview those students for the betterment of the candidates who are aspiring to join IIMs. I think it's helpful for all of you. Thank you, sir. Hello, may I know your name?
My name is Mehak and I'm in my third year in the IPM program.
Oh, so this is your third year.
Yeah.
You have completed 2 years.
Yes.
So IPM, what is it?
It's the Integrated Program in Management. So it's a 5-year course, which is essentially the first 3 years are we get a degree in Bachelor in Foundations of Management, and then we join the normal MBA batch.
Okay.
Sorry, the postgraduate program batch. So yeah.
Okay. So how do you get in here?
So essentially we have to give the IPM 80, which is exam which is sort of, you can think of it as a baby version of CAT.
Okay.
But there's a little bit more, I personally believe it's a little bit more, it tests your actual conceptual core.
Okay.
And then after that we have I think a written ability test
Okay.
and an interview, and then if you get in, you get in.
Okay, so great, you have made it. And how's your experience here? Tell us something which you love about this IIM Indore and things which you don't like also.
I think what I love the most is, so the IPM course is extremely diverse and you get to learn a lot, and I don't think I could have ever had this experience in any other college. The amount that we learn and the amount of, I think, social awareness that you sort of get once you enter this course. And one thing that I don't like, I don't really like not like anything. I
Okay.
pretty much like everything, except I think how competitive the people are. So it's
Okay.
really competitive. You have to always be on your toes. So it's a little
Yes.
hectic as compared to any other undergraduate course. So
That's great. And is there anything which you love about this campus
what I love about this campus,
which makes you feel lively?
I think I really like. I like everything. I can't pinpoint something, but I think what I like the most is that you literally have peacocks roaming around here. That's the smallest thing, but like I really enjoy the fact that it's so integrated with the wilderness.
So it's the natural beauty of the IIM Indore they are maintaining.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
And oh yeah, one more thing, the fact that we're given so much freedom to do whatever we want, I don't think that's available in any other campus.
that's something which is special about this IIM.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay, bye. Hello guys. What's your name?
My name is Durgesh.
Durgesh. And what's your name? Shreya. Hello Shreya and hello Durgesh. I'm just interviewing people here in the IIM Indore. As what course are you doing here?
We are into IPM, Integrated Program for Management.
Okay, so you too?
Yeah.
Okay, great. It's a 5-year course, I think?
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you get in here?
There's a registration of our IP MAC, and then you give for that exam, and it constitutes of English and verbal, English and quants. That's it.
Okay. So you both did that exam and got in here. So you have completed 2 years. And how is the classes experience you experience here? How do they teach you?
In one term, hectic.
And what is the teaching structure here? How the classes are conducted?
Generally, it's not a specialist course. It's a generalized course. All three, we can say, all three streams are covered. Like humanities, science, and commerce.
Okay.
In commerce, we study accounting and stuff, and in science, we study calculus and
statistics.
Okay.
And in humanities, we have psychology, we have sociology, we have law. So we have a lot of subjects, varied
it's a
subjects.
generalized approach to it.
So here they teach according to a timetable. All these subjects are taught on a single day, or it's
No. It's a flexible schedule. We get a schedule before the mid. There are two schedules. First before the midterm and after that. So
So basically, for the initial years, you don't have a lot of choices.
Okay.
So you only have stats, and then you have calculus. When you enter the third, you have electives, a lot of them. So
Okay.
they give you like 14 to 15 courses, and you have to select 10 out of them.
Okay.
You rarely have compulsory courses in the third year.
So how's your experience here? Tell me the truth. Don't fake it. Tell me the truth.
Nothing is black and white. Just like IBM, it's grey.
It's great hair.
Yeah,
And
it's grey.
it's grey.
Yeah.
Oh, it's grey hair. So what is grey that?
Since everything is done by student bodies, so we can say there is a lot of politics.
Okay.
But in academics wise, they can make it a better program since it is one of a kind program in the country.
Yeah.
So it's still in the developing process.
Okay.
Otherwise, nice concept to pick students from just after class 12th and teach them management and so that.
As I am informed, I think IIM Indore is the first one to
Yeah,
start
yeah.
this IPM course. Okay.
I
So
started it just like last year.
okay, it's been 1 year only.
I think so, 1 or 2 years. That's it. I am Rohtak is
You are here from last 2 years.
yeah.
Yeah, 20.
So it must have started 2 years back, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So is there anything which you love about this campus and want to convey people?
It's a beautiful campus.
It's a beautiful campus. And how is your experience here?
Fun. I participated in a lot of tournaments. That was a really nice memory for me.
Okay.
Except that, no, it was a nice experience. That's it.
Okay. Hello, Madhav.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
So we are in IIM Indore.
Yeah.
And what are you doing here?
So I'm currently in my final year of PGP.
Okay.
So I'm right now in our second last week of our course
Okay.
here. Yeah.
So you are just going to get over this
Yeah.
IIM Indore campus.
Yeah.
And your course is about to get over.
yeah.
So you must have been placed in any company? Has your
Yeah.
campus been done?
Yeah. So I got placed at Deutsche Bank in the
Deutsche
investment
Bank.
banking division.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how was your experience in IIM Indore? I guess you have lived your whole campus life here
Yeah.
for 3 years.
No, it's a 2-year course, but because of COVID, it's probably 1.25 years of campus life.
Okay. So how was your experience here?
The experience has been very good. Like, actually, the amenities and the infrastructure is actually very good. So, it was actually quite easy to transition from home to here. And even the people, they're very friendly. Like, I really thought it would be a very, a tough place to be in, but everyone helps out each other. So, it's a very good place to be in.
Well, the people are good here. They're
Yeah.
friendly.
Yeah.
They're ready to help.
Yeah.
Ready to converse.
Yeah.
And how do you get in here?
So, I got through the normal route. I wrote CAT, and then I got a good percentile, and then after that,
So you wanted to come in IIM Indore or in the topmost IIM ABC?
I mean, I don't think I'll be lying if I say that I am Indore was my biggest ambition. Everyone wants to get into ABC,
Yes.
but that didn't work out for me, and so I am Indore was still a good option for me, so I came.
So you don't regret?
No, I don't regret
It's a
because
great
things worked
place.
out for me here.
Okay.
Like my whole plan was to do really well here, so that worked out.
So you're a topper here, I guess? You're in the top 10s?
Yeah, I'm in the top 10 in first year. Yeah.
So you must be good in academics as well.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, right, the subjects I was weak in, my friends helped me a lot. And then the subjects I was good in, I helped my friends. So that way, it helped me and it helped everyone else.
You people study by your own?
Yeah, I mean, we have good profs as well.
Yeah.
But most of the studying happens in groups, like everyone teaches each other. And
Kind of a self-study, group study.
yeah.
So teachers here are good or not?
Yeah, teachers here are very good. Like from my undergrad to here, like the levels are really high. So some of the classes are very interesting to attend.
Well, competent professors are
Yeah,
there to
yeah.
teach you.
Yeah.
And what is the teaching pattern? How do you teach you? What are your classroom style?
So we have a case study based method of teaching. So
What do you mean by that?
So basically, you have these depends on the course. You have these Harvard cases based on real life companies and the situations and all that, and based on that, you have certain learnings.
Okay.
So they teach you based on these real life examples and case studies. So,
Okay.
yeah.
So they give you a case study, you read it,
Yeah.
and
So it'll be based on a topic,
Okay.
and then they'll tell you like this is what happened, and so concepts regarding that.
okay.
Yeah.
So the best memory you have in this campus?
Best memory, obviously getting placed here. Like the placement week is very tough,
Yeah.
and once you get placed, it's just a sigh of relief. And I think that was my best day. till now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, and wish you best of luck for your future.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, friends. What are your name? May I know?
Yeah, I'm Rohit Kumar Pandey from PGP1.
Hello, Rohit.
Hi, I'm Priyadarshini. I'm also from PGP1.
Hello, Priyadarshini. So this is your first year here?
Yeah, we both are first year students.
Great. So you're doing PGP. It's a 2 years course, right? So how did you get in here?
The normal way only, but then we both have some work experience.
Oh,
Yeah.
so what work experience do you have?
I'm a chartered accountant, so I have worked in the Big Four, and I have also worked with Government of India for some time.
Great. And you?
I was working in LIC Housing Finance. I worked there for 20 months. I think it helped a lot while converting IIM also.
Great, yaar. Matlab, you are chartered accountant. You have worked in LIC, and you both ended up here. So what's that which made you landed up here?
I think I was craving for a student life,
Okay.
being a CA. That is what I think.
That
I
what we
missed out
missed
on
the
life.
lot. Okay. And you? What
I
about
had
you?
my student life, but
Okay.
I was wanting to upskill myself. Like there was a flat curve in progression in my company, so I felt that I should gain some more knowledge and
Okay.
upskill myself. So that is why I chose MBA.
So I am Indore. What do you feel about it? How is the place here?
Like it is the best management school in Central India, so and it is quite near to my home also, so I preferred this.
And what about you?
For me, it's a pretty new experience. First of all, college is a different alien experience,
Okay.
and I really like it here. A lot
What's-
of friends and all these things about the college, the pedagogy, everything is quite unique also. So
Okay.
I'm really enjoying it.
Acha, tell me one thing which is different from other IIMs and which you appraise a lot.
Actually, I don't know how we will always be partial about our own institute, right? So, and I cannot comment about the other IIMs, but what we have is here is very special.
Is special. Okay.
Yeah, I think the campus is quite cool. It's very living and there's a lot of greenery here, so I like that a lot. Also, it is on a hilltop, so it
Yes.
makes a lot of difference.
Yeah.
You get to experience
The environment, the
Yeah, exactly.
air, there is no pollution.
Everything.
It's
Campus is quite good. We
It's
have
far
no-
from the city, so it's
Yeah.
very cool, calm, and like silent. So I like that.
how are the people here?
Yeah, they're very cooperative,
Good.
and I like their nature. They
Okay.
are very helping, and it's fun.
And
working with them.
faculties.
Faculty-wise, yeah, they are all very helping. I didn't think ki faculty can be that cooperative and they can help
Friendly.
you before here. In my UG,
Okay.
it was like ki professors are not very cool with you, and they will be very strict and all, and they won't understand you. So
Okay.
यहाँ आने के बाद I changed my perspective.
So you did your UG from which place?
NIT Lahabad.
NIT. Oh, that's great. And instead of that great NIT, you feel that IIM is a better place to
Yeah,
learn.
yeah,
Oh,
definitely.
that's great. And how do they teach you here? What's the? I want to know the way they teach you. What's the structure of the program here?
It's quite different actually. Usually case-based studies.
Okay.
And it's not the usual mode of education that India follows. It's
Okay.
quite different. And so in the first term, we actually took some time to get adapted to it because we are used to people feeding us
Yes.
information and then mugging it all up and then going and writing the exam. But here it doesn't work that way.
Okay.
So it took some time, but then I think it's a very effective method.
So you think it's a good idea to
Yeah,
teach in a case study base?
Oh, definitely.
Definitely.
And what do you convey to you the next aspirants who are coming in IIMs? Do you convey that IIM Indore is a good place to come and study and do their PGP here?
If you are
Definitely.
sincere and diligent enough, you should definitely come here.
It's a good place to
Yeah.
come.
Yes.
Thank you guys for our interview. Bye. Thank you.
you.
All the
All
best.
the best to you.
Thank you so much, friends. I hope you like this video. If you want me to ask some of your questions with them, just comment in the comment section below and I will get in touch with you. Thank you for your love and support. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.